12th math student, see some problem from exercise 9.4 differential equation. See question number 13, cos of dy by dx is a is constant. Dy by dx is cos inverse a or dy by separation of the variable. dy is equal to cos inverse a into dx, integrating both the sides. So cos inverse a constant 1 dx x plus c. This is your general equation. But here condition is given for x0, y1, putting in a equation first, determine c. So when x0, y1, c is 1, and then your required equation is y is equal to cos inverse a into x plus 1. Okay. Now see question number 15. Your curve is passing through the origin 0, 0. P is any point on the curve x, y variable. So here given dy by dx differential equation of the curve dy by dx is equal to e power x into sin x by separation of the variable. dy is equal to ex sin x dx, then integrating. Okay. So here directly you can write by formula eax sin bx, you know eax upon a plus b into a sin bx minus b cos bx. This is the formula of eax sin bx. Here a and b both are 1 1. So putting in formula, then you will get the integral of ex sin x, that is y is equal to ex by 2 a plus b 1 plus 1 ex by 2 sin bx, that is x, and minus cos bx means cos x plus c. So this is your equation of the curve. For a value of integral constant c here given in your question, given x0, y0, why? Because curve passing through the origin. So putting the value you will get c is equal to 1, then putting c in the equation of the curve. So your equation is y is equal to ax by 2 sin x minus cos x plus 1 by 2. You can simplify after taking LCM, you can take 2 on the side of y. Okay. Now see question number 18. Here given curve is passing through the point P minus 2 1. There is any point on the curve P x y. At P tangent is drawn. And there is another point a minus 4 minus 3. The question is slope of tangent is dy by dx. And this slope is 2 times of the slope of the line segment PA, joint point of contact to A, means PA. So you can determine the slope of PA by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 to y minus 1 plus 3 upon x plus 4 by separation of the variable on the side of dy taking term of y, and on the side of dx transferring on right side on the side of term of x. So 1 upon y plus 3 dy, and on other side 2 upon x plus 4 dx, then integrating both the side, mark plus integral constant c. So log of y plus 3 2 times log of x plus 4, and when each term containing log to integral constant you can represent in term of log, that is you can take as log k instead of c. Okay. So on the right side 2 log x plus 4, that is you can write log of x plus 4 square plus log k, and by log m plus log n, that is log of m into n means log of x plus 4 square into k. From both the sides you can remove the log. So y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 square into k. This is your equation of the curve. So for value of k here given, curve passes through the point minus 2 1. Putting this point and determine k, you will get k is 1, and putting in equation first, then you will get required equation, means that is particular solution if you putting the value of k. So general solution becomes particular solution, that is y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 square. Now see some more problem, word problems are given. Similar you can do. See one of them, word problem, question number 20. So what is the question? Question is, in a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of r% per year. if you take principal as P, so rate of change of principal means dP by dt, and this is equal to R% of P, means that is R by 100. So this is your equation, P dividing on the side of dP and dt taking on the right side. 1 by P dP is equal to R by 100 dt, and integrating both the side. So our right side integral is R by 100, 1 dt, that is t. Why? Because R by 100 is constant, only 1 dt is t, plus integral constant c. And on the left side 1 by p is log p. So this is your log p is equal to R by 100 t plus c. First equation is general equation of. Okay. Now here you will determine the value of c. First, under the given condition, condition is initially principal was 100, means initial time means you can put at t is equal to 0, t was 100, and also given after 10 years means t is equal to 10 years, p is principal becomes double, that is p is equal to 200. So first you will put t0, p100 and determine c, putting in first. So putting t0 and p100 here. So after putting you will get log 100 and t0 means c is equal to 100 you will get. Now you will put second condition t10 p200 in first, again you will put. So p200 means log 200 and t10, so 10 R by 100 and plus c. C is here, you have determined in place of c putting log 100. So log 100 transferring on the left side. On the left side you will have log 200 minus log 100 means log m minus log n, that is log of m by n. Directly you can write. So m is 200 and n is 100. m minus n 200 by 100. And on the right side is 10 R by 100, that is R by 10. So this is your log after. So 200 by 100, that is log 2 is equal to R by 10. Then R is equal to 10 log 2, and here value of log 2 is given in your question. Log 2 is 0.6931, multiplying by 100, so you will get 6.931%. So this is the value of R. Okay.